What strings do I use? Depends a little bit on the guitar. On my classical guitar, I oftentimes like the Dario strings, and they make one that has, they call it rectified, which is they kind of grind it down a little bit. That gives it a little bit of a scratchy, silvery tone. If you don't like this, use the regular nylon. On my Bernabe guitar, I use Bernabe Especial strings. Oftentimes when you buy a guitar, make sure you know what strings are on there, because whoever made this guitar did a lot of research on which strings sound best on his guitar. So more often than not, the strings that the guitar came with are the ones that will end up sounding the best on that guitar. On my steel string guitars, I like Elixir strings. One of the reasons they're coated with nylon, and one of the reasons I like them is because I live in Florida, I live on the ocean, it's very humid, my metal strings rust while I watch them. So when they're coated with a little bit of nylon, that makes them live a little longer. Here's the thought of the day. There's two things that are important in life: truth and flavors.